Daddy Honk Honk by Rosalind Bonnet. It's the end of summer in Arctic. Snow will soon cover the tundra. Everyone is enjoying the last sunny days. Apud, the little fox, is watching the geese flying away. Oops, they've forgotten something, he says, noticing an egg in the grass nearby. He looks and sniffs. He knocks and listens. He shakes it and... Daddy, honk honk! You gave me a shock. Daddy, honk honk! I'm not your daddy, you know. Daddy, honk honk! You are a cutie, but I don't know how to take care of a baby. Daddy, honk honk! Let's go find you a family. Could you please let go of my nose now? Apple goes to the lemmings. Would you like a baby? Daddy, honk honk. What a little sweetheart, they exclaim. But they have no room for a new baby. Mama Lemming gives Apple a tiny hat. A baby needs to stay warm, says Papa. Oh, I see, thanks, says Apple. Daddy, honk honk. Apple meets Olaf and Lily. Do you know much about babies? Not really, answers the musk ox. Daddy, honk honk. Lily is not an expert either, but she has a suggestion. Here, take some yummy food, she says. A tiny shrimp like that needs to eat to become big and strong like us. Thanks. Have a good hike, says Apud. He wonders if a well-nourished baby could get as big as a musk ox. Daddy, crunch, crunch. Next, they pass Nanook doing his morning yoga. Better not to disturb him, thinks Apud. But the baby wants to meet Nanook. Daddy, honk honk. Daddy, honk honk. Daddy, honk honk. Daddy, honk, 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 honk. So noisy, grumbles Nanook. Isn't it nap time? A baby needs sleep. Good point, says Apud. Apud puts the baby in a comfortable place. But the baby is not sleepy. Daddy, honk honk. No more honk honk. It's nap time. Daddy, honk honk. Daddy, honk honk. Daddy, honk honk. You should rock him, suggests Granny Puffin. Honk! But the mischievous baby definitely doesn't want to sleep. Daddy, honk honk. Splash! It's much more fun to play in the water. Daddy, honk honk. More and more friends come to play. What a rascus! Daddy, splish splash! Stop! You are going to squish my baby! Shouts Apud. Daddy, glop, glop. Eda, the whale, stops the game with a big swish of her tail. You must always keep an eye on your baby, she says. Yes, thanks, Apud sighs. Come on, little rascal, time to go home. Daddy, honk honk. Let's hurry, you are chilly. Daddy, honk, honk. Look, our house is down there. Here we go, the fastest family on the tundra. Daddy, zoom, zoom. Welcome, Daddy, honk, honk. I will be the greatest daddy, hums Apud. Healthy food, keep warm. We are all set for playtime and bedtime. I think a little one like you needs a story before bed, says Apud, opening a book. Then they hear a knock at the door. All the friends are here. What a nice surprise! Your baby needs a beautiful name, they say. Welcome, Aurora. Under the northern lights, everyone celebrates Aurora's birth. Cocoa and cuddles, snacks and songs, laughs and kisses. Daddy, honk honk. Because above all, a baby needs love. The end.